It's time to get a little bit more complex with this change of base formula, and these problems are a little bit more fun. So let's take a look at this. We have log of a times log base a of 5. So what's going to happen with this? So let's write it over here. We have log of a times log base a of 5. So I know I can split this one up using that change of base formula. So I could rewrite this as log of a times log of 5 over log of a. And then notice this is, multiplying fractions. This would be like log of a over 1 times log of 5 over log of a. And basically these log of a, since we're multiplying, are going to go ahead and cancel out since one's on the top and one's on the bottom. What does that leave us? That's just going to leave us with log of 5. And let me just move this over here. And so our answer would just be log of 5 right there. Let's take a look at this example. A little bit more difficult now. So what we have is log base 5 of m over log base 15 of m. So we're going to have two different change of base formulas going on. We got one on the top, one on the bottom. So on the top we'll have log of m over log of 5. And on the bottom we'll have log of m over log of 15. So what do we do in this case? So we have a fraction over a fraction. Well, let's take the bottom fraction. We're going to flip and multiply it. So this is going to equal log of m over log of 5 times log of 15 over log of m. Same thing, we're multiplying, so we're able to cancel these out, and we're going to be left with log of 15 over log of 5. So let's go ahead and look at our answer list. So looking at the answer list, I don't see that here. I see log of 3, log base 5 of 15, and I'm thinking, wait a minute. How am I going to get one of these answers here? I thought that I brought this, and the first time I saw this, I got kind of excited about this problem because this is going to force us to change the way this looks. This is kind of a typical AP kind of thing here, that we're going to have to change the way this looks in order to fit what we see here. So if you remember our change of base formula, if you had log base b of a, it would be log of a over log of b, right? So think about this. We're starting with the fraction, just like you see here. We have a fraction here of logarithm, so can't we go backwards and rewrite that to have log base 5? Notice this would be the base on the bottom, right? And then of 15. The top would just go on the inside. So our answer would actually be right here, log base 5 of 15. All right, our last one, we have log of 3 over log base n of 3. So log of 3 over log base n of 3. So that's log of 3 over change of base formula on that one. That's going to be log of 3 over log of n. So this is like our big fraction sign. So you can think of this as log of 3 over 1. So we're going to flip and multiply. So we have log of 3 over 1 times log of n over log of 3. The log of 3's cancel. And you're left with log of n. And there you have it. That's about as complicated as it's going to get for the base change of base rule. Honestly, I think these problems are fun. They're going to be really good thinking problems, kind of puzzle problems for those AP type questions.